What's the matter with that one ewe that has no horns?
Where?
Out in front. Look at the one out in front.
Oh, I don't know. I'll get a good close-up of her.
Both horns are off.
Huh. I don't know what that is.
She needs to be killed too. It's piece of shit. That's a nice little ram there. Front. Second one. There's some big animals, aren't they?
Yep.
There's a good little ram too. He's got some curl back to him.
Boy, it doesn't take much for them to jump fence, does it?
No, they got that hole in there.
That's a good one in the back. You know, nice little ram.
Uh-huh. Oh, what's the matter with that lead female up there? She had no horns. With her tail straight out, that lead one?
Yeah. Fixing to get a film on. Oh, look at that little one.